Hey guys, this is Page from Beebom.com, and at CES 2020, Amazfit announced its very first truly wireless earbuds, the Amazfit PowerBuds. And you know what? It has to be one of the most feature-packed wireless earbuds out there. Well, we went hands-on with the Amazfit PowerBuds, so let's take a look. So these are the new Amazfit PowerBuds, and they come in 3 cool color variants. All of them have this smooth pattern, as you can see in this white variant, but this is a texture that is the most prominent in the black one, as it's red, and I think it looks very cool. Anyway, these are sporty wireless earbuds, so they have the full in-ear design. And while I've always liked full in-ear wireless earbuds, the PowerBuds do look a bit confusing. I mean, you get the idea after some time, but at first I was always confused how they'd go in. Apart from that, they do fit in nicely and are fairly lightweight, and they come with different tips, so it should fit most people. I also wanted to see how well they'd hold up during workouts, so I gave these earbuds to one of the trainers at the event showcasing the new Amazfit Air Run. And while it was fine mostly, the earbuds did fall off once. Now that's where this comes into play. The PowerBuds come with sport ear hooks that stay here in the charging case. So you have them at all times. Now these are magnetic ear hooks, so you can just do this and that's it. Your earbuds now have the ear hook design, which makes sure that the earbuds don't drop even during intensive exercises. I did the headbanging test because Akshay is not here. And as you can see, the earbuds stay put. Another thing to note on the design front is the fact that these are IPX5 water resistant earbuds. So these should be fine with sweat and rain. When it comes to the build quality, be it the earbuds or the case, I think they have a fairly premium build, so no problems here. Coming to the features now, like I said, the Amazfit PowerBuds are one of the most feature-packed wireless earbuds out there. First off, let's talk about the big one. The Amazfit PowerBuds come with a PPG heart rate sensor built in. So you'll be able to monitor your heart rate during workouts with ease using these earbuds, which is pretty awesome. Now we couldn't test this, but Amazfit says that you'll get voice notifications when your heart rate exceeds a certain number you've set. Now that would be pretty awesome. That's not all though. The earbuds will also bring you workout details like the pace, the duration, the distance and more. Apart from the heart rate tracking features, the Amazfit PowerBuds come with all of the usual features that we always want in wireless earbuds. There are touch controls, so you can play, pause music, skip tracks or activate Google Assistant. All of these actions are set to be customizable in the app, so that is pretty nice. Then there is wear detection, which is one feature that's super duper handy, and I really love it on other earphones as well. So with this, you can just take out the earphones from your ear and the playback stops, as you can see. There are also a couple of modes. There's a new through mode, which can be enabled with a single tap. Now this is the mode that increases the ambient noise. So when you're maybe running outdoors, you can hear the surrounding traffic conditions. However, if you're working out indoors and you want the dark night music playing in the background to really pump you up, there's a motion beat mode for that, which enhances the bass so that your workouts are, more dynamic. Another feature to note is ENC, aka environmental noise cancellation with dual mics for better quality during calls. Now all of these features sound great, but we are yet to test them out as the Amazfit app with all of these features and the bud support is still in closed beta, and yeah, we only use these earphones very briefly. Now there's one thing I did test, and that's the sound quality. Again, I use these earphones briefly with the songs playing, not the type of songs I generally listen to. But in whatever time I had, the quality of these earbuds seemed great. The bass was pretty good and the quality at around 80% volume was really good. So I'm positive when it comes to the sound quality on the PowerBuds. Lastly, there's the battery, and this is where the Amazfit PowerBuds impressed me the most. The earbuds are rated for 8 hours of playback on a single charge, and that's with heart rate monitoring turned on. It is honestly really impressive. Most truly wireless earbuds don't have this kind of battery life. The Realme Buds Air, they last around 3 to 4 hours. The AirPods Pro, they last around 4 to 5 hours. So you get the idea. Plus you get another 16 hours with this charging case. That's a total of 24 hours. Now the charging case here is also pretty nice looking, and it has the USB-C port, which is just perfect. Talking about the pricing now, the Amazfit PowerBuds will arrive in February, and it'll arrive at $99, which is around 7,000 rupees in India. Now, I know that seems a little pricey considering the fact that the likes of the Realme Buds Air and JBL C100 are available for around 4K. But I think if this is priced around 5 to 6K, it'd be great. Because compared to the earbuds I just talked about, these bring in features like the heart rate monitoring, magnetic ear hooks, different sound modes, and way better battery life. Plus, there are all the features like touch controls, wear detection, ENC with good sound quality. So yeah, I'm hoping Amazfit brings this to India soon, because from the looks of it, the Amazfit PowerBuds seem like a winner. Yeah, I was really impressed with the Amazfit PowerBuds, but what are your thoughts on it? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos from CES 2020. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.